Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a report on opportunities by stage in Salesforce. This is a powerful way to visualize your sales pipeline and understand where your deals are currently sitting, helping you make better forecasting decisions and identify potential bottlenecks in your sales process. First, let's get started by clicking the App Launcher, which is the waffle icon you'll find in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. This icon opens up your navigation menu where you can access all the different tools and features Salesforce offers. Once you've clicked it, use the search function to find and select reports. This takes you directly into Salesforce's reporting workspace. Now that you're in the report section, click the New Report button. This initiates the report creation process and brings up a selection of report types for you to choose from. From here, select the Opportunities report type and click Start Report. This ensures you're working with opportunity data, which is exactly what we need for tracking deals by stage. Next, you'll want to refine what data appears in your report. Click the Filters tab on the left sidebar. This is where you control the scope of your report. In the Close Date filter, select Current FY Range and then click Apply. This narrows your report to show only opportunities within the current fiscal year, giving you relevant and timely insights rather than historical data that might skew your analysis. Now let's structure how your data is displayed. Click the Outline tab on the left sidebar. Here's where the magic happens. You'll need to drag the stage field from the column section and drop it into the Group Rows section. This reorganizes your report so that opportunities are grouped by their current stage, making it easy to see how many deals are in prospecting, qualification, proposal, or any other stage you've defined. To keep your report clean and focused on the big picture, toggle off the Detail Rows slider at the bottom of the preview pane. This removes individual opportunity details and shows you just the summarized data by stage, which is perfect for a high-level overview. If you'd like to add a visual element to your report, click the Add Chart button. This is optional, but it can make your data much easier to digest at a glance by creating a bar chart or pie chart of your opportunities by stage. You're almost done. Click Save and Run to finalize and execute your report. A dialog box will appear asking you to enter a report name. Type something descriptive like Opportunities by Stage so you can easily find it later. Then select the folder where you want to store this report, keeping it organized within your Salesforce environment. Finally, click Save. Your report is now created and ready to use whenever you need to check on your pipeline distribution. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.